and Happy New Year! And welcome to the first Arts Ignite workshop of 2023. Woo! I am Patricia and I am an actor, writer, and singer. And I am so excited to be exploring some dance with you today in today's workshop. Now, before we get started, I want us to take a moment and celebrate the new year by asking 3 questions. So let's close our eyes. Now think back to this past year. And the first question is, what is one thing you learned this year that was new? What was one new thing that you learned this year? Nice. Now, thinking back on this year, what was one thing you were really proud of? What was one thing you were really proud of this year? Maybe it was a book you read, maybe it was something new you tried, maybe it was a new friend, maybe you went a place you'd never gone, maybe you tried a new food. What's one thing you were really proud of this year? Good. Now, last question. In 2023, what's one thing you'd really like to learn this year? What's one new thing you'd really like to learn this year? Open your eyes. Well, I don't know about you, but one thing I'd really like to learn is some more about dance. So let's get started.
My name is Emily Hart Lopez, and today we're going to explore courageousness through movement. We're going to welcome in the new year 2023, and we're going to think about our past, our present, and our future. We're going to do this through movement. So to start, I want you to be my mirror. So if you're using your hands, you're going to put one hand over your heart, so on your left side, and one hand over your belly. We're going to bend our knees if you're standing. You can do this seated. And slowly close our eyes or look at a point in space in front of us. As we do this, I just want you to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. As you continue taking this breath, see if you can start to think about a moment in your past where you felt brave and courageous. Was it a feeling, or was it something you did or something that you experienced? And now with the breath, as we continue, think about a time in the present, in recent times where you felt the same way. Was it something that happened today? Is it what you're doing in this moment now? And now, as you continue to breathe, think about a time in the future where you want to be brave and courageous, something you want to experience or say or do. See if you can imagine yourself doing that and feeling that feeling. Great. Now we're slowly going to open our eyes. If you need longer to think about it, you can pause the video. And we're just going to start shaking our body out with whatever way you like to move and wiggle and shake. See how it makes my voice shake as I do it? We're just going to shake out any feelings of nerves, any stress, anything that happened before you got here. And we're gonna just let it all go. You can even make sound as you do it, if that feels good to you. Now we're just gonna follow me with some breathing up and down. So I'm using my hands. You can lift whatever you need. Maybe it's your foot, maybe it's just your arms, but whatever feels good to you, you're just gonna inhale and exhale, feeling like you're pushing something down. This one's fun if you want to test your balance. Now we're going to push in front of us. As you push in front, can you let your spine move like a C? So it looks like this. Just like that. So you can do it on one foot, or you can do it stationary like this. But just breathing, bringing energy into our bodies. Great. Now let's take arms up and then down, and then up, and then down, and then up, and down. And last one, we're gonna bring it up and then push it all the way down, like a big circle. So instead of in front of our chest like this, we're just bringing it down. And one more, bringing arms nice and wide. Let's get into our main activity. Hopefully you feel ready and warm. Okay, now that you hopefully feel loose and a little bit warm and a little bit in your body, we're gonna start by thinking about a moment in our past. What I want you to do is find a point in the space that you are in and go to that point. So for me, I'm gonna come here because it's further away from the camera and it feels like something behind me. So I'm gonna take this little space and I'm going to think about that memory from my past, and I'm gonna do some kind of motion that reminds me of it, that makes me feel brave and courageous. So I have my own memory I'm thinking of, and it's actually this. This movement makes me feel brave and courageous because I have to be able to balance. It goes back to a story I have personally, where I had to run and go balance like this. But for you, maybe it's a different story. Maybe it has nothing to do with movement. But you're gonna find that move and just try to do that move. Just one movement there. And we're just gonna discover it and take a few moments to think about it. If it feels like it's going too fast for you, pause the video and take some time to come up with that movement for yourself. Maybe I'm gonna do it this way. And let's think about it one more time and try it one more time, whatever you discovered. You don't have to judge it, just try it. Great, now we're gonna move to another point in our space, whether you're doing this seated or standing, and we're gonna think about the present. So I'm gonna come to the middle of the room. It makes me feel like I'm in the middle of time. And I'm gonna try to do one movement that makes me feel bold and courageous, thinking about that memory that we did in the warm-up that is in the present moment. I'm just going to try it, and I'm gonna do it a few times to get it in my body. Yes. And you can think of your very own movement. What's something you did recently, and how can you show that through a movement? Is it through a gesture? Is it through your whole body? But just any idea that comes to your mind, something you like. And now we're gonna move into the present. I'm gonna take this tiny little spot and think about the present. It might cut off my feet, that's okay. And I'm gonna think about, I said the present, but now I'm gonna think about the future. So I am going to do a movement that makes me think about being brave and courageous in the future, something that I want to happen in my life. And I want you to do the same. So that's what this movement represents to me. That's the one I discovered. And I want you to find one that makes you imagine you're in that situation and in that moment in time. And it can be anything. Is it something where you're talking? Is it something where you're performing? Is it something that you're studying? I don't know. Whatever comes to your mind. Now that we have all three, if you still need more time, you can pause the video. We're going to do it back to back, okay? We're going to repeat this a few times so you have your own past, present, and future sequence. Finding your own space in the room. Here we go. This is our past. This is our present. And this is our future. All right. How did that go? Let's try it one more time to end it all together. We have our past. We have our present. And moving to our future space. Okay, everyone, we're gonna end this out doing it one time with music all together. If you like it, please do it again. Please film yourselves. Feel free to tag us at artsignite.org on Instagram. And we're gonna just end it out doing it together. Here we go. All right, going into our past movement, into our present, and into our future. Great. Thank you, everyone. Please try it many, many times with music if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Happy New Year.
Thank you so much for that wonderful workshop, and thank you all for joining us. Now remember to share one thing you learned with someone you love, like a family member or a friend, And you can share it with us too on Instagram at artsignite.org. Now, before we go, let's close our eyes one more time and think about where we started today. We'll ask 2 more questions. What is one thing that you learned today? What is one thing that you learned today? Good. Now, I'm going to ask again, what's one new thing you would like to learn this year? What is that one new thing you would like to learn this year? Open your eyes and feel free to share your answers to those questions with us too. Now, I hope you all have a wonderful new year, and I hope I get to see you soon.